Welcome everyone on painting tutorial. Today we're gonna to paint mill in clouds. Okay, let's go to start it like always with a sketch. Then take blue color and sky blue color and try to mix it to make a beautiful background. You can add also white color. Let's make a little bit clouds using only white color. Right now just make a little bit shape of it. Then mix sky blue, white and gray color to make clouds. You can see it right now. Try to mix all these colors together. Also use more white color. Also blend all these colors to make soft clouds. Okay, let's fill our dress with olive color. Also add a little bit of red color and make some light. Let's fill mill with gray color and use a little bit of blue color on a shadow. Also make light in the left side using gray and white color. next step is to make a little roof. So for the roof of mill we need to take brown color, and like always for the shadow we have to take blue color and mix it with gray to make more dark, or you can take blue color with brown color. So here I have a little mistake using red color on the roof, but in the end I changed it to the brown color. I add a little bit of light on the roof, and right now I start to paint a window. So for the window I have to take brown color and mix it with deep violet color to make really dark window. And I made a door and a little bit of details on the grass. The next step was really difficult for me because I have to make really stretch sticks on a mill. You can take a ruler, or you have to have like a really confident hand to make it really stretch. I don't take the ruler, so I made it only by my hand, and it was a little bit curved, but it's okay. That was my first time when I made something like this. So for this I took a brown color and a little bit of deep violet for the shadow, and for the light I just take a little bit more brown color and mix it with white color. Also can take a little bit of ochre color. Here I started to make more light using white color. As you can see, I added white birds, 3 white birds. And for the last step, I wanted to make more light, so I made it like lighting from the left side to the right side with a little bit of yellow and white color. This painting is already done. Thank you everyone for watching my tutorial painting. Hope you enjoy it. I really will be appreciate if you're gonna to comment and follow me.